Hey, what's going on YouTube? A quick tutorial to give you a basic introduction into Excel keyboard shortcuts. So one of the things about Excel that a lot of more experienced users know is their keyboard shortcuts. This isn't going to be an advanced video to kind of show you all the ins and outs of them, but to kind of give you an introduction to what they are. So an Excel keyboard shortcut is just basically where you can use the keyboard to navigate Microsoft Excel, and makes it to where you can A, avoid having to use a mouse, and B, makes it to where you can do things a whole lot faster. So like let's just say I have this right here, right? And I want to center the this column, make this currency, have borders around everything, and then thick borders around it, right? Alt H AC, Alt H NC, Alt H B, Alt H PT. And as you can see, you can do things like formatting very quickly. Or even better, Alt A and just pick a table. Now it's formatted. Um, and basically, when it comes to keyboard shortcuts, all you have to do is just press the Alt key. Whenever you press the Alt key, there's a series of buttons that pop up at the top that you can then use to navigate further. So for example, Alt H gives you home, and then A gives you the alignment, and then C, align center. Like Alt H B T gives you thick borders. Also, another crucial keyboard shortcut is with the control key and the arrows. So if you want to navigate something quickly, then use the control key and then the arrow. So control right, control down, control left. Just hold down the control key, and then you can use arrows to navigate Excel very quickly. Control A selects everything that's intermediate vicinity, and the Control A again selects the entire sheet. Also, the Shift key is crucial as well, so the Control key lets you navigate quickly, and holding down the Shift key lets you highlight. So now Shift is in arrows. So Shift, and then I'm holding on the Shift key, press down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, right arrow. I can highlight things very quickly. But you can combine these and do things very quickly. For example, I can hold down Shift and then Control, and then press down arrow, right arrow. So now this is highlighted very quickly, like that, right? So Shift, Control, down arrow, right arrow is highlighted very quickly. So I can do Shift, Control, Alt, H, B, T, and then it's navigated. Part of it's just it takes time to get used to navigating it. But what now, honestly, there are things that I don't even know where to click on it, just because I'm so used to using the keyboard shortcut with the Alt key and the Control and the Shift key. That said, I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. And that said, just press the Alt key and start trying to navigate with keyboard shortcuts, and then eventually you'll get comfortable using them. That's it. I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much. Have a great day.